I found these pair of lashes from Ardell in TJ Maxx and I quickly picked them up because they are the luxury lightweight with knot-free invisiband. I've tried like another pair of invisibands and I was absolutely obsessed because they feel so comfortable, like especially if you're not used to wearing lashes or you want it for like a long period of time to wear for a lot of hours. This is like the most comfortable thing you can try. The number 817, and it's just one pair. I know they sell it like in a set of 4 to save more money. This I believe retails for $6.49. Got it for $4.99 at TJ Maxx. Just totally transform a look. 817. This is the Faux Mink collection. Does not come with a glue. I'm gonna use my favorite glue at the moment, which is by Kiss and Premium Strip Lash Adhesive. So look how pretty. They definitely look like they have a nice curl, but they don't look like they're too over the top like maybe the ones that I reviewed from Lily Lashes. They feel really nice and soft, not like plasticky. Oh my god, they feel amazing. I'm just gonna grab this tool. I'll just let that dry maybe for like 20 seconds and I'll go ahead and apply it and we'll see the transformation. Alright, so as we can see, these are definitely more on the natural side. These just look beautiful for like an everyday wear. Are feeling really comfortable. I feel like the size was good enough, at least for my eye. Like I don't feel like I had to trim it. You see it has a nice curl. The volume is okay. It could be more full for my taste, so let me put on the other one. So these are both lashes on. Again, this would look very pretty for like a no makeup day where you just want to put like lashes or without liner, natural looking. For me, I would definitely want a little bit of more volume, but it looks gorgeous.